Hey everyone, in this video, we will see how to set up Google Postmaster tools to monitor your GoHighLevel email health. So if you have a GoHighLevel account, you're doing email marketing or you're just sending emails through automations, you need to always keep your emails in check, see how they're doing, if there's any action you need to take, and Google Postmaster tools is the way to do that. I'm in my sub account. I will go to settings and I will go to email services, and here I have a dedicated email domain set up here. This is my dedicated email sending subdomain. If I go all the way to the right, I can see the Postmaster tools here. So it's asking me to connect to Google Postmaster. But before I do that, I'll just go to Google Postmaster from here. Okay, this is the Postmaster tools. Go to Google and search for Google Postmaster. And I will just copy this dedicated email domain I have. So I'm just setting up my email subdomain with Postmaster. So I'll just do next. And now it will ask me to authenticate this email. So for this particular subdomain, I have to add this TXT record in my DNS zone. And I'm going to do that now. So let me just show you how you can do that. It depends on the hosting you have. If you have GoDaddy, just go to Google and search for how to update DNS records in GoDaddy. Same thing for Namecheap, same thing for Hostinger. Like any type of hosting you have, you just need to find out how to update the DNS zone for the website. So my website is ashaduzzaman.com. So I'll just update the DNS zone for this one. Even though it's a subdomain, I'll have to do the DNS changes in my website. So I hope that's clear. Now I'll show you how to update the DNS record in the DNS zone. So I have opened my DNS zone editor. I'll just copy this TXT code, go to my DNS zone. And again, it will be different for each hosting. So there's no point in seeing this and trying to find out how yours will work. You just need to Google it or contact your hosting provider. Now I will create a TXT record and put the record in, and the value will be lc dot. Oh, okay. Let me just get rid of this bit in the beginning. Okay, looks good. Now, once it's done, I will now go back here and try to verify it because I've just added it. It may take a few minutes, up to a half an hour, to fully propagate. As you can see, it's saying the TXT verification record was not found because I just added it. So I just need to wait a few minutes and then try again to see if it works. So let's just wait and we'll be back soon. Okay, that was quick. So it's been added. I'll just do done. So no data to display at this time. We've just set it up. So we just need a few days for Google Postmaster tools to get some data and show here. But now I will go back to my GoHighLevel email settings and I'll try to connect this account with Postmaster. So this is the email I've signed up to Postmaster with. That's why I've selected this. There we go. So the connected account is showing up here, and the email sending domain is also connected to that account. So the data should be within the next few days. So this is how you connect Postmaster tools. We've just set it up, so probably I'll do another video to show you some data in, because it's a new account. It doesn't have any data. But this is how you set up Postmaster tools to keep monitoring your email health for a GoHighLevel account. So this was useful. I will see you in the next one.